So hey, what's up guys, what's going on? Today in this video, I'll be unboxing the Apple iPad Air M3 and the Apple Pencil Pro. So I have got the Apple Pencil Pro for free on this iPad by using the Apple Back to School offer. So I have created a dedicated video of it. You can check the I button or the link in the description where I have explained how you can also get this offer and avail your free Apple devices. So the site Shubham here, you're watching UnZip Tech. Let's get started. Okay, so here we have the box of my iPad Air M3 and the Apple Pencil Pro. So let's start with the iPad Air M3. So this is the design that we have on the side. Looking at the back, we have all the info. You can read the details over here about my product that I have. So let's just open this. Let's break the seal. Alright, so here we have the device. Let's get it out and keep it aside as of now. Meantime, we'll look at the other devices also that we have in this box. Okay, so this is some paperwork. Let's get the papers out, and here we have the iPad Air details. Let's fold this and we'll keep it aside. Then the other thing that we have in this is the user manual kind of stuff. Let's see, and nothing much. Let's keep this also aside, and looking at the box, we have the Type-C to Type-C cable, which is a braided one this time. And one extra thing that we don't get with the iPhones is the adapter. So this is a 20-watt adapter. Let's keep this again in the box, and let's get the iPad out of the packet first before we move on to the Apple Pencil Pro. So here it goes. The feel that it comes with is really good. Literally the bezels seems to be a little thick, but it is obvious because you will be holding the device in the hand, and that time we do not want the screen to get touched by mistakenly. But talking about the thickness of this device, it is so slim that my iPhone 14 camera wasn't able to focus it properly. So you can think how much small it is. On the back side, we have the logo. I was having the engraving option, but I didn't went with it. On the sides, we have the button and all the same stuffs. So let's keep this aside and move on to the Apple Pencil Pro. So this is the box that we'll get. Let's break the seal first. I have kept all this seal unbroken while bringing this from the Apple store because I want to release it in front of you first for the video part. So let's get this out. Designed by Apple in California. So here we have the paperwork and then the Apple Pencil. Let's see what kind of paperwork do we see in this. So some small papers are there with some details that we have about the Apple Pencil Pro. Let's directly go to the device. So here we have the pencil. This is also very slim, as you can see. It has a very good grip, but the grip is little bit smooth, but it feels really good in the hand. The overall feel of this Apple Pencil Pro is good, and it has a wireless charging support that comes with the iPad itself. So you just need to connect it on top of the iPad and it starts charging. So that is the advantage that we get over here. So this is all about it. This all are the things that we get. And yeah, that's it for this video. For the other details like the case, then Apple back to school offer, and the protection that I have applied on it, I have made a dedicated video which will be coming soon. So do hit the like button, share the video with your friend, and subscribe to the channel to get the notifications when I upload my videos. Thank you for watching.